Hello, my tribe, and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. I am Mrs. G. On this channel, we focus on beauty, fashion, and luxury. So if that's something you're interested in, please subscribe and join the tribe. So we are gathered here today to review the Olaplex Hair Repair Treatment that claims to intensify repair for 3 times stronger hair. I want to see how this repair treatment works on my 4C hair. So if that's something you're interested in, please stay tuned. So in regards to the Olaplex treatment, I heard great reviews on social media in regards to this treatment. And so that's why I was actually interested in purchasing it. So I always tend to buy the gift sets or the samples because I like to try new products. However, I feel like the gift set is a little bit more affordable than if you were to actually buy the full size products. So I bought the gift set in Sephora for $62. It comes with 4 products. It comes with the Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. That's number 0. It comes with number 3, so it skips from 1 to 2. I don't know why. Maybe there's products in between. It comes with the Olaplex Hair Perfector. And then number 4 is the Bond Maintenance Shampooing. And number 5 is the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And we will be using all 4 products in this review. Now, what I can say is that when I went on social media, there were great reviews. And that's why I was willing to try the products. However, when I went to Sephora to purchase the products and look at the reviews were on the opposite side of the spectrum. There were people that were stating this treatment made them bald-headed, and there were people who were stating that this treatment made them Rapunzel and had their hair growing. There was like no in between. So it was either you were bald-headed or your hair grew wildly. Now, since then, since trying the products, I actually started going online and seeing news review that people are actually suing the owner of the Olaplex Hair Repair Treatment for damaging their hair. So with that said, I'm just letting you know, be cautious when using this product. So we're starting off with number 0, Intensified Bond Building Hair Treatment. In the kit, we received 5.2 fluid ounces, and online you can buy the 5.2 fluid ounces for $30. The kit in total was $62. This claims to help any concerns with damage, split ends, breakage, shine, and it's color safe. The key benefits is that it's supposed to prime hair to intensify benefits of number 3, which is the hair perfector. Strengthens, weakens, bonds deep within the hair strand, and repairs hair from chemical, thermal, mechanical, and environmental damage. Now, nowhere on the box or online does it say to wear gloves, but once you smell this product, it has a very strong chemical smell, as you can see in my face. So I definitely decided to put on gloves. I also decided to wear my safety goggles. Why? Because the spray bottle nozzle is not the best and tends to disperse the product unevenly. I even got some in my eye, and online it says to be cautious of this product going into your eye. So I definitely got my goggles. So I would recommend for you to do the same. It's one thing for this product to make you bald-headed, which because the face will always carry. It is another thing to lose your eyesight and not be able to see these backstabbers coming. So protect your eyes. Suggested usage is to apply slowly to dry hair, distributing evenly from root to tip. You're going to work number 0 into small sections by squeezing the liquid into the hair to be fully absorbed as you go. Lightly saturate from root to tip. Hair should be damped, not drenched, and you're supposed to let it process for 10 minutes. Do not rinse out before you move on to the next step, which is number 3. So I kept it in my hair for 10 minutes before moving on to the next step. And a helpful tip, you may want to have some duck clips or clamps available to kind of section off your hair as you go to make this process work a little bit more smoothly. before you move on to the next step. So I'm going to apply this, wait 10 minutes, and then move on to step 2. So this is how my hair looks after using number 0, step 1. The product is extremely watery, but it did penetrate my hair shaft. For step number 2, which is product number 3, I've moved into the bathroom because it's better lighting, as well as I'm multitasking. So step 2 will take 10 minutes to process. So in that time, I'm going to do some self-care and take care of the wolf down under, as well as scrub my backside. So step 2, which is the number 3 hair repair perfector, it comes in standard size, which is 33.3 ounces, and it retails for $30, and that's the size you get into the treatment kit. Now they have a new size online, which is the value size, which is 8.5 ounces, and that's $60. I swear these protective seals are going to be my undoing. So number 3 claims to be a pre-shampoo hair treatment that reduces breakage and split ends for visibly healthier hair. If you have hair concerns such as frizz, it's color safe. If you have damaged split ends and breakage, key benefits, it says it reduces breakage and split ends, visibly strengthens hair, and restores healthy appearance and texture. Number 3, you add on top of the first step, which is number 0. And so unlike number 0, number 3 does not have a chemical smell. It is of a creamy consistency. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to lather it on top of number 1. I'm making sure to catch all of my strands from the root to the end. And so the description says I have to keep it on for 10 minutes. So this is how my hair looks once I have put number 3 all over my strands. As you can see, my hair is bouncy, flexible, and soft. So this treatment does not make your hair hard. So 10 minutes has passed and I'm actually just rinsing out the product. So it wouldn't be a Mrs. G's living if I didn't show you the real. So I'm showing you my fairy knots and how my hair is reacting to the number 3 wash out. It is what it is. So this is how my hair looks once I rinsed out all of the number 3 products. As you can see, I have a family of fairy knots. So now we're going to move on to step 3, which is the number 4 product, which is the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. In the kit, you get a 3.3 ounce size and it retails for $15. They have a standard size of 8.5 ounces, which retails for $30. And once again, I'm having issues taking off the protective seal. So the number 4 shampoo product states that it is a reparative, hydrating shampoo to nourish for soft, shiny, visibly healthy hair. If you have hair concerns such as dryness, it's color safe, damaged split ends, and breakage. The key benefits is that it supports bond hair, prevents frizz and flyaways, and reduces damage and split ends. I actually enjoyed the shampoo. A little goes a long way. So I actually put too much in my hand, but it lathers and suds extraordinary. And it has a decent smell to it. So it's not chemical, but it does have a pleasant smell to it. And it just penetrated my strands. It's a moisturizing shampoo as opposed to a clarifying shampoo. So this is why I enjoyed using it. So now I'm rinsing out the number 4 product, which was the shampoo. As I said before, a little goes a long way. So I kind of overdid it with the shampooing, but it was definitely a refreshing experience and it lathered extremely well. So this is how my hair looks once the shampoo has rinsed out. Like most products, the shampoo will burn your eyes, so just be cautious. But it made my hair extremely soft, as you can see, bouncy. So now we're going to move on. So product number 5 is step 4 in this treatment kit. It only comes in a mini size. So it's a mini number 5 bond maintenance conditioner. It's a 3.3 ounces. It retails for $15.
So number 5 claims that it is a nourishing and reparative hydrating conditioner for soft, shiny hair with perfect slip to prevent tangles. If you have hair concerns such as dryness, it's color safe, damage, split ends, and breakage. The key benefits is that it supports bond repair, prevents frizz and flyaways, and reduces damage and split ends. So I can honestly say that it is a creamy conditioner, and while lathering it on my hair, it's soft and it does feel nourishing. So this is how my hair looks when I have covered my entire head with the number 5 product. As I said, it is very nourishing and it helps assist with the detangling process, and my hair feels extremely bouncy. So this is me rinsing out the number 5 product, the last step in this treatment kit. So this is how my hair looks once I've completed step 4 and rinsed out the conditioner. So while my hair feels supple and soft, I did have a little bit more shedding than usual. So now I'm going to dry my hair off and style it, and then we're going to discuss the products in a little bit more detailed.
So it's been a few days later since I've used the Olaplex treatment. I just twisted up my hair. It is completely dry, and now I'm going to just use a little bit of oil for the takedown.
So some takeaways: if you buy the products individually or separately, it will cost you $95 as opposed to the $62 for the kit.
Now I can say, you know, as usual, my hair is, it is dry. Now I'm not sure if Olaplex has styling treatments or styling products, but I didn't hear anything about their styling products. I heard more about the treatment kit. So I use my traditional TGIN twist butter. So let me give you a close-up to show you how my hair is looking. Down the rest of my twist and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. I finished taking out my twist outs, and this is how my hair is looking. So I use the Olaplex treatment, and I end up doing a twist out using TGIN and some oils. And so what I can say is that, you know, the TGIN product always tends to get my hair together. As a 4C natural, it always gives me what I consider a perfect twist out. On this channel, as I said, I am a lazy natural. I am an imperfect natural. I don't care if my twist outs are perfectly defined, if my hair is looking a certain way. I became natural to just have healthy hair. Is the hair. Now, what I can say is that I did the Olaplex treatment because I have not done a protein treatment in, I'm not going to lie to you, a year and a half to 2 since the pandemic. As I said, I'm a lazy natural. So I felt like I needed to, one, I wanted to try the products because I've heard wonderful things about it online. And 2, I thought it would probably help with my fairy knots. Now, keep in mind that my routine is I wash my hair every month, and I may co-wash in between, depending on if I'm going to the gym hard. And if I could smell my hair, it's like I'm going to the gym hard. Of course, I'm going to do a cold wash. I tend to trim my hair in its natural state every time I wash my hair. So every time I wash my hair, I clip the ends. I am not a natural person I don't care for retention. I just care that my hair is healthy. So I trim my ends maybe every month, but I'm thinking I'm definitely considering, I've been doing my research, watching other, you know, natural hairstylists, and I am considering blow drying my hair out and then trimming it to see if it will help with the fairy knots. So far, what can I say? My hair feels exactly the same. So I don't know if the treatment was supposed to make my hair feel differently. Maybe I'll have to try it a few more.
So right after this video, I actually did a dry twist out. I did not re-wet my hair. I just added a little bit more products, and I can honestly say that my hair was more malleable and I had less shedding than usual. So I don't know, maybe the product does work.
Compared to, I've used Afro G treatment, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I've used the Afro G treatment and it feels exactly the same. Like, I don't feel the difference. I don't know if we're supposed to feel the difference, like our hair is bonding. I'm thinking only time will tell whether it actually did what it was supposed to do. But I can honestly say my hair is soft, it's bouncy, it does feel more manageable, but it feels exactly the same. And I still have, you know, my little fairy knots, which I'm assuming is going to be here forever. But yeah, this is how the hair is looking. So I would honestly say, if you want to try the products, definitely try the treatment or the gift sets instead of buying the individual products that are $30 each. So definitely try the treatment kit to see if you like it or not. Me, I am in between. I can do with it. I can do without it. I don't see the difference. So I'm going to give probably an update 6 months from now to see. But this is how my hair is looking. And I actually love how it's looking. It's looking, it feels dry, but not. And that's the norm for my typical hair. So if you like videos like this, please like, subscribe, join the tribe. I am Mrs. G from Mrs. G's Living. Peace. We are out.